Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today I am going to discuss how to find equation of a circle. If center is given and radius is given, how to find equation of a circle. See, here I drew one circle. The center I consider as h comma k. The point P, the coordinate is x comma y. The distance between the center and the point, you know, a line segment from the center to the circumference is radius. So, CP equal to R. Here, equation of a circle. Equation of a circle with center. Center what I said? H comma K. And radius R. Okay, distance between two points, you know the formula, what it is? CP, the distance between CP is equal to square root of distance formula x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. This one you have read already, right? Just I recall. Now what is any one you consider as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Here I am going to consider x1, y1 as xy, x2, y2 as h comma k. Now you see square root of x1 what I said x, x2 h. So x minus h the whole square plus y1 I consider as y, y2 I said k. So you are going to replace y1 in terms of y and y2 in terms of k. Then CP is nothing but from the center to the circumference the line segment is radius. So CP can be replaced by what? R. CP can be replaced by R. Here square root is there, here only variable is there. For removing the square root you want to do squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Then what can you get? R square equal to x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square. This is the equation of a circle. What it is? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Suppose if your center is the origin, what is the equation of a circle? If center is the origin, origin means what? Center is the origin. Origin is nothing but 0, 0. Origin means the coordinate is 0, 0. Then what is the equation of a circle? Simply you have to replace h and k in terms of 0. You will arrive the result. Then the equation of the circle, equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. Again I am going to repeat, except origin any other number comes, you should use this as the equation of a circle. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. If the center is the origin, the formula is x square plus y square equal to r square. Got it children? Here I am going to discuss exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Find the equation of the following circle having center 3, 5 and radius 5 units. I taught you how to find equation of the circle. The formula I said, right? What is that? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Equation of a circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Here your center is what? 3, 5. Radius is 5. That means h is equal to 3, k is equal to 5. Given h is equal to 3, k equal to 5, r equal to 5. Got it? Everything it is given, you are going to use and replace the format. That's it. Now x minus h can be replaced by 3 the whole square plus y minus k can be replaced by 5 whole square equal to 5 square. Right? Now you are going to apply a minus b the whole square identity. What it is? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square minus 6x plus 9 plus the same identity you are going to use it here also. Y square minus 10y plus 25 equal to 25. One thing you have to listen, in between equal, the number is also same, sign is also same, so you can cancel. So 25, 25 cancel. Then what should be the rest? X square, you are going to arrange it in the order, y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 9 equal to 0. Got it? This is the equation of a circle whose center is 3, 5 and radius is 5 unit. Is the required equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. Got it, children? Now the second subdivision. The second subdivision, the center is 0, 0, that is origin, and radius is 2 units. If the center is the origin, means I gave a formula. What it is? Equation of a circle. Equation of a circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. If the center is the origin, the formula is x square plus y square equal to r square. Directly you are going to substitute in the formula. R equal to what? Given r equal to 2. Now x square plus y square equal to 2 square, that is 4, is the required equation of a circle. Now you understand the difference between the center, if the center is the origin, if the center is another point. Required equation of a circle. See, the center is 3, 5 means how the equation of the circle is there. If the center is the origin, means how the equation of the circle. Now you understood the difference between these two. Got it, children? Now I am going to discuss what is the general equation of a circle, right? General equation of a circle. First one I have discussed. If the center and the radius is given, how to find the equation of a circle. Here I am going to give a general format, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here how to find the center? Center is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. Then radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. The general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Using this, how to find center? Center concept is minus g comma minus f. Radius square root of g square plus f square minus c. The second Roman letter, find the center and radius of a circle. First subdivision, x square plus y square equal to 16. What is our equation of a circle if the origin is if the center is origin? That is x square plus y square equal to r square. Since center is origin. When you relate the given to the general, what is your center? Easily you can say center is 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. What is radius? Radius equal to 4. Radius equal to 4. You have to equate the given to your general format. Your general is what? If the center is the origin, equation of a circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. The same it given, right? So when you relate this, you will get the center as 0, 0. Radius is 4. If radius is 4 only, you can arrive the result as 16. Now come to the second subdivision, that is somewhat different. X square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. Here you are going to apply general equation of a circle. What is general equation of a circle? General equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Got it? This is your general equation of a circle. You are going to relate the given to the general. Given to the general. Here what is your 2gx? Come to the question. The coefficient of x is what in general? 2g. Here what it is? Minus 22. You are going to relate 2g equal to minus 22. Now what is the coefficient of y in general? 2f. In the given format is minus 4. So 2f equal to minus 4. Now what is c? c is constant. c is equal to 25. Now 11, 2 1s are 2. Here also 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then how to find center? I gave a formula, right? Center is minus g comma minus f. Here what is your g? Minus 11. When it comes here, it becomes positive. So center is 11 comma. Here what is your f? Minus 2. When it comes here, the negative into positive. So it becomes 2. 11 comma 2 is our center. How to find radius? Radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. What are the things we need? Everything it is there. G is equal to minus 11. F equal to minus 2, C is equal to 25. Then you have to substitute G. What is G? Minus 11. So minus 11 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square minus 25. Minus 25. Now you see 11 square. You know that answer, right? Square 11 square, it becomes what? 121 plus 4 minus 25. Then root 125 minus 25. Root 125 minus 25, it becomes 100. That means equal to 10. Therefore, radius equal to 10. Got it, children? If the format comes like this, you have to equate with the general format as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The third subdivision is 5x square plus 5y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 16 equal to 0. But what is our general equation of a circle? I taught you general equation of a circle. General equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The given you are going to convert into this format. For that purpose, what you want to do? You have to divide throughout the equation by 5. Divide by 5. Then the given equation, how it going to be? How is going to be? X square plus y square plus 4 by 5x minus 8 by 5x minus 16 by 5 equal to 0. The given equation. You are going to, you converted into the general format. Now what is the coefficient of x in the given? 4 by 5. What is the coefficient of x in your general? 2g. So 2g equal to 4 by 5. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is your g? G is equal to 2 by 5. G is equal to 2 by 5. Here coefficient of x is coefficient of y is minus 8 by 5. In general, what is the coefficient of y? 2f. So 2f equal to minus 8 by 5. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what is your f now? Minus 4 by 5. Here constant is c. In general, what it is given here? Minus 16 by 5. So c is equal to minus 16 by 5. Radius, how to find center? I gave the formula, right? Center minus g comma minus f. Here what is your g? G is 2 by 5 positive. Here it comes under negative. Minus 2 by 5 center. What is your f? F is minus 4 by 5. So minus into minus plus 4 by 5. What is the center? Minus 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Radius. Radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now what is your g? G is minus 2 by 5. What is your f? 4 by 5. What is your c? Minus 16 by 5. Then you are going to substitute here, right? R equal to square root of minus 2 by 5 the whole square plus 4 by 5 the whole square minus, here already minus is there, so minus into minus plus 16 by 5. Now you are going to simplify. What it is? R equal to square root of 4 by 25 plus 16 by 25 plus 16 by 5. I have to take LCM, where LCM is 25, 4 plus 16. Here 5 appears 5 times, so 5 into 16, 80. Which is equal to square root of 100 divided by 25. R equal to square root of 4, then R equal to 2. Got it, children? The given equation is 5x square plus 5y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 16 equal to 0. If it is there, we cannot find. That I converted into the general format as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. For that, I divide the equation by 5. Then I arrived x square plus y square plus 4 by 5x minus 8 by 5y minus 16 by 5 equal to 0. Then coefficient of x, coefficient of y and constant should be compared. I arrived the result as g equal to 2 by 5, f equal to minus 4 by 5, c is equal to minus 16 by 5. Using that, I found the center formula as minus g comma minus f. Then radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. I substituted, evaluate, at the end I arrived the result as 4, therefore r equal to 4. Now what is center? Center is minus 2 by 5 comma 4 by 5, radius is 2. The second Roman letter, fourth subdivision we are going to see now, right? X plus 2 into x minus 5 plus y minus 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. You are going to convert into the format as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, right? X plus a, you are going to use the identity and then you are going to convert. X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, right? Now x square plus where a is 2, b is minus 5. 2 minus 5 into x. Your a is 2, your b is minus 5, positive, negative. When you multiply, you will get it as negative. The same thing you are going to apply here also. Y square plus your a is minus 2, your a is b is minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 into y. Product, when you multiply the negative, it becomes positive, equal to 0. Now x square minus 3x minus 10 plus y square minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. You are going to rearrange the format. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 3y minus 10 plus 2. So it becomes minus 8 equal to 0. This is your given format. Now I am going to write a general format. Why I am going to write a general? I am going to relate with the general for that purpose. The general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Right? Now, what is the coefficient of x in general? 2g. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 3. You are going to equate 2g equal to minus 3. Then g equal to minus 3 by 2. Coefficient of y is 2f. Here what is the coefficient of y? Minus 3. So f equal to minus 3 by 2. Here what is your constant? C. In general it is C. From the given it is minus 8. Then you know what is G, what is F and what is C. Using that we are going to find out what is center and radius. Center, what is the formula I taught you? The center is minus G comma minus F. Here what is your G? G is minus 3 by 2. Here it is negative. When you come to this part it will act as positive. That is 3 by 2 comma. Your f is minus 3 by 2, then it becomes plus 3 by 2. Center we arrived 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Now radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. You know the value of g, f and c, that you are going to substitute. Square root of 3 by 2 the whole square, so 9 by 4 plus again 3 by 2 the whole square, 9 by 4. Here minus c, c is minus 8, so it become plus 8, which is equal to square root of 4. You are going to take it as a LCM. I will write it in the next step, children. Square root of 9 plus 9. LCM means 4 8s are 32 divided by 4, which is equal to square root of 50 divided by 4. 2 25s are 2 2s are. Then what is your R? R equal to 5 by root 2 units. Right? See, this is your given equation that you converted in the format as x square plus y square minus 3x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Then you are related with the general. You arrived the result as g and f, c. Using that you found center and radius. Two things I have discussed today. If the center is given h comma k and radius, the equation of the circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. If the center is origin, means what I said, x square plus y square equal to r square. The second subdivision what I have discussed, that is general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. How to find a center in this format? Center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus 3. Two things I taught. You have to go through the format, children, right? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you, children.